a beautiful weather today. I can't wait to play with Grandma today.
Logan! Hey!
Hello.
So, how you feeling?
I'm ready to play.
You ready to play?
Yeah.
I wonder what we're gonna do. It's a surprise. But first, we read a book, and then we're gonna do something fun.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Logan, I love this time with you reading a book, and I have something very special after we read the book. It's a surprise. Okay? So you have to wait. All right?
I don't like waiting.
You don't like waiting? You have to
Well,
wait.
I can wait.
Now here is our book. How to make a sock puppet. How to make a sock puppet. What's a puppet?
A puppet.
Yeah, little puppet. Yes?
But sock? It's smelly.
Oh, yeah, we need a clean sock. Yes, that's right. Usually we wear socks. So we're gonna learn how to make a puppet with a sock. Okay? Let's see how we're gonna do this. Can you hold that for me there?
Okay.
Okie dokie. All right, first page, pull the sock on.
Pull the sock on.
So, what is he doing?
He's pulling the sock on.
On. Where? Where is he pulling it on?
On his hand.
Yeah,
That's weird.
yeah.
You're making your hand dirty.
You're making your hand dirty, but I think the sock is clean. Then it's okay?
Well, it looks very clean.
Yes, that's right. So what color is the sock?
Light green.
It's green. You got it. Okay. So here in this picture, who's this?
A girl.
Yeah, a girl. And she also, what's on her arm?
A black and white sock.
Yeah, so she's got a sock on too. It seems they're gonna make it together. Oh, and look, there are some supplies. Sharp scissors, and then we have some markers. Yeah, and then
Actually, lots of markers.
lots of markers.
Glue.
Glue. And some colored paper. Okay, let's see what goes on. Tuck the sock in.
Tuck the sock in.
Yes. So, Logan, what is tuck? Tuck.
Tuck.
Yeah. So you tuck it in. Yeah, you tuck it in. You look like a gorilla. All right. You tuck the sock in. So he tucks in the sock, and what is he trying to make?
He's trying to make a
The mouth.
puppet.
Yes, and you see, by tucking it in, he makes a mouth. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Cut the tongue out.
Cut the tongue out? I'm not cutting my tongue.
No, not our tongue, not our tongue. But we're making a paper tongue.
Ah.
And what color is the paper?
Red.
Red. So, what are they doing here?
They're cutting the tongue.
They're cutting the tongue. Okay, let's see what they do next. Stick the tongue on.
Stick the tongue on.
Yes. And how do you stick something?
Glue.
Glue. So as you can see, they're putting on glue. And they're gonna stick it on. Sticking. That's it. Oh, here they go. This is how they stick on the tongue. Right here. Okay, all right. Next, draw the eyes on.
Draw the eyes on.
On. And where is he drawing the eyes?
On eyes.
Yeah, right on the top, right on top of the hand. All right? So they are putting that there. And next, stick the eyes on.
Stick the eyes on. Again?
Again.
Glue?
You see, look, they drew it there. They put a mark. And then they're making the eyes.
Ooh.
Ooh. So they have, what is this?
Blue.
White.
Glue.
The white glue and circle. And then inside the white is a black circle. So it makes an eye. Wait, look at the tongue here.
It's very monstery and looking very,
Does it look like a normal tongue? Look at the
No.
tongue.
very long.
Yeah, it's kind of like a snake's tongue. All right. Okay, here is the surprise. Ta-da! We are going to make a sock puppet.
Wow.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the first thing that we have to do?
We have to put the sock in.
Pull the sock. Okay, so go ahead.
Pull the sock on. Tuck the sock in. Cut the tongue out. Stick the tongue on. Draw the eyes on. Stick the eyes on.
Okay, yay, it's a sock puppet. Do we have a name for this puppet?
We can call it maybe Logan number 2
Logan number 2.
and Logan number 1.
Alrighty, Logan. Hi, Logan.
Hi, number 2 Logan.
So, Logan, what did you think about this book today? And the
Very
sock?
good.
Good, yeah.
Good.
So we read a book and we made a sock puppet. That was really fun, huh? All right. So, Logan number 2, are you gonna go to bed with Logan?
No, he's not.
No? No?
No.
Okay, Logan, we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.